Hey guys, what's going on everyone? Mr. Crypto here. Welcome back to another video. Now in this one right here guys, we're just going to be joining a whitelist for a potential airdrop in the future guys. This is just to join a waitlist for the Culb Finance it's called, and we're going to be joining that right here guys. So basically in the comment section below guys, you will find a link to this page right here. And on this one right here guys, all we have to do is, as you can see, first of all, we're going to be connecting our wallet. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So right now we are just connecting our wallet, and we're going to sign to verify real quick. And there we guys go. So my wallet is now verified. Next of all guys, we're going to enter our email address. So I'm just going to enter my email address in this page right here. And below you're going to have just a question: why do you want to become an early adopter of SCB? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in this on ChatGPT, and I'm just going to get like an answer for this, but you can basically type in whatever you want. So as you guys can see here, I just basically went on to ChatGPT. I asked why would I want to become an early adopter of SCB, and basically guys, I just got my answer. I mean, it's not difficult at all. And we're going to go back in and we're going to paste this right here. It's apparently too many characters, so we're just going to delete something right here. There we go. And that's basically it. And next of all, we're gonna just type in, where did you hear about Culb? And I'm gonna say I found it on Twitter. And that's basically it. After we have done that, we're just clicking I'm not a robot, and then we can just submit the application right here. So I'm just gonna do that really quick. And as you guys can see here, we have basically become eligible for the whitelist. Who knows how long it's going to take, but by doing this, we guarantee yourselves a position if there ever is one. Thanks guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.